How to eat chia seeds. Stop eating chia seeds the wrong way. It's probably doing nothing for your body. Or worse, it might be messing with your digestion and leaving nutrients locked inside. Most people just toss them in water or sprinkle them on yogurt, but here's the thing, that's not how your body wants to absorb them. Let me show you the right way to eat chia seeds, so you actually get the energy, the fiber, the omega-3s and the weight loss benefits everyone talks about. Chia seeds are one of the most powerful superfoods on the planet. Tiny, yes, but packed with fiber, protein, antioxidants, and more omega-3 than salmon, gram for gram. But most people are eating them the wrong way and wondering why nothing's changing. So if you're putting chia in your smoothie, water, or breakfast bowl and still feeling bloated, sluggish, or stuck at the same weight, this video is for you. We're breaking down how to eat chia seeds the right way for gut health, steady energy, and real weight loss support. Most people are wasting their chia seeds. Chia seeds are often labeled as a miracle food. But here's the truth. If you don't prepare them properly, you're not going to get the benefits. A lot of people dump a spoonful into water, drink it immediately, and assume that's it. But chia needs more than just a quick stir to unlock its full potential. Because chia is not just about throwing seeds in your mouth, it's about how you activate those seeds and how your body absorbs them. And here's something most people don't realize. If you're into holistic health, natural nutrition, and real fact-based wellness advice, hit that subscribe button now. We break down what actually works without the fluff. Alright, let's get into how to actually eat chia seeds and make every spoonful count. But before we dive into recipes and timing, let's start with the most overlooked part, how chia seeds should be prepared. 1. Why preparation matters. Chia seeds are like tiny sponges. Chia seeds absorb water up to 12 times their weight. That's why when you soak them, they turn into that gel-like texture. But what most people don't know is that gel is the secret to making chia work properly in your body. If you eat dry chia seeds, they'll swell up in your stomach instead. And that can cause bloating, constipation, or a blocked digestive system, especially if you're not drinking enough water. Think of it like this. Dry chia seeds are like a sponge in your stomach, but soaked chia seeds are like a sponge that's already full, ready to clean, not clog. So, step 1, always soak your chia seeds. 2. Best way to soak chia seeds, and for how long? The ideal ratio, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to ½ cup of water. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes. If you can, soak them overnight in the fridge. That's even better. Soaking chia seeds not only makes them easier to digest, but it also unlocks nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids for brain and heart health, soluble fiber for gut health and bowel regularity, protein and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. You can store soaked chia gel in the fridge for up to 5 days and add it to just about anything. Now that you know how to prepare them, let's talk about the most effective and delicious ways to actually eat them. 3. What to eat chia seeds with. To maximize benefits. Chia seeds are neutral in taste, so they go with sweet or savory. Here are some power combos that boost the benefits even more. A. Chia plus Greek yogurt plus berries, protein, probiotics, and antioxidants in one bowl. Great for gut health and feeling full longer. B. Chia plus oats plus cinnamon plus banana, slow digesting carbs, fiber, potassium, and blood sugar balance from the cinnamon. C. Chia plus lemon water, soaked overnight. Natural detox water, supports hydration, digestion, and fights bloating. D. Chia plus almond milk plus cocoa plus honey. Chia pudding, tastes like dessert. Feels like fuel. Great for breakfast or post-dinner snack. 4. When to eat chia seeds. Timing matters. Chia seeds work best when eaten first thing in the morning. They help regulate blood sugar and keep you full. 30 minutes before meals. Helps you feel satisfied faster and eat less. Before workouts. Slow release energy without a crash. Before bed. Helps stabilize blood sugar overnight and supports gut repair. Pro tip, don't eat too much at once. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is enough for most adults. So that's when to eat them. But how exactly does this tiny seed help with digestion and weight loss? Here's where things get interesting. 5. The fiber factor. How chia helps with weight loss and digestion. Chia seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, which forms a gel in your gut. That gel slows down digestion, controls hunger, and promotes stable blood sugar levels. And because fiber isn't digested like carbs or fats, it helps you feel full without adding extra calories. But here's the key. Your gut needs water to process that fiber. So if you're eating chia and not drinking water, you're clogging the system instead of cleaning it. Pro tip, for every tablespoon of chia, drink at least 8 to 10 ounces of water. 6. Avoid these common mistakes with chia seeds. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes people make. Eating chia seeds dry. Already covered this, they expand inside your gut and can cause discomfort or even obstruction. Eating too much too fast. Start with 1 tablespoon a day and gradually increase. Dumping 3 tablespoons into your diet overnight? Not a good idea, especially if your gut isn't used to that much fiber. Not chewing soaked seeds. Even when they're soaked, chew them. Your saliva starts the digestion process and helps your body absorb the nutrients better. 7. How chia supports gut health and energy naturally. A healthy gut equals more energy, better sleep, clearer skin, and stronger immunity. Chia seeds feed your gut's good bacteria because they act like a prebiotic. That helps maintain a balanced microbiome, which is basically your body's internal health command center. Also, thanks to their protein and slow-releasing carbs, chia helps you avoid those midday crashes. Instead of reaching for coffee at 3 p.m., try this. Mix 1 tablespoon soaked chia, a pinch of Himalayan salt, half a lemon, and a cup of warm water. That's natural electrolyte-rich energy right there. 8. Who should not eat too many chia seeds? Chia is generally safe, but a few people should watch their intake. If you're on blood thinners, chia is high in omega-3s, which can thin the blood even more. If you have swallowing issues, always soak chia. Dry chia seeds can pose a choking risk. If you have IBS or sensitive digestion, start small, see how your gut reacts. 9. Product recommendation. The best chia seeds to buy. Not all chia is created equal. Look for organic and non-GMO labels. Color. Black chia seeds are slightly richer in antioxidants, but white ones are equally nutritious. Packaging. Avoid plastic pouches. Choose resealable, airtight containers. Brand to try. Navitas Organics or Nativa. Both are clean, tested, and trusted. 10. Myths about chia seeds that just aren't true. Let's bust a few common myths that might be holding you back from making the most of chia seeds. Myth number 1. Chia seeds detox your body. Reality. Your liver and kidneys do the detoxing. Chia helps support digestion and gut balance, but it's not flushing toxins out on its own. Myth number 2. Chia seeds are only for weight loss. They do help with satiety and blood sugar, but their real magic is in gut repair, energy regulation, and even brain health, thanks to their omega-3 content. Myth number 3. You need to eat a lot to see results. Actually, just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day prepared the right way is enough to support long-term health goals. More isn't always better. These myths often lead people to overconsume or use chia incorrectly, and then blame the food instead of the method. The chia power shift, when it actually starts working. Here's the part most people miss. You won't see results from chia overnight. It's not a quick fix cleanse or some magic bullet, but if you eat it consistently, the right way, for even 7 days, you'll notice less bloating, better digestion, more energy, and slower, steadier weight loss without crash diets. Give it 3 weeks and your gut literally starts to reset. That's the real power of chia. And if you still need a little more proof, here's what happened when one woman made chia a daily habit. Take Sarah, for example, a 42-year-old mum who was constantly bloated, fatigued, and struggling to lose weight. She started soaking 1 tablespoon of chia overnight and adding it to her morning oats daily. Within a week, her digestion improved. By week 3, her energy was more stable, her sugar cravings dropped, and she lost 3 pounds without changing anything else. Her secret? Consistency, and using chia the right way. So, how should you eat chia seeds? Let's wrap it up. Always soak them, at least 30 minutes, ideally overnight. Start with 1 tablespoon a day. Mix with water, yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. Drink water, lots of it. Eat them daily for gut health, steady energy, and true holistic wellness. Most people will keep eating chia seeds the wrong way. Dry, rushed, or just tossed in random meals, and never feel the real benefits. But you now know how to unlock the power inside this tiny seed. You're not guessing anymore. You're choosing to eat for energy, clarity, and longevity. And that decision? That's what holistic wellness is really about. If you learned something new today, and you're ready to take your health into your own hands, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We've got more real, science-backed holistic health tips coming every week. Because wellness isn't complicated when you actually understand what your body needs.